It's about 7:30. It looks like the wind has died down finally. Oh man, got a little extra sleep. Oh, it sucks. I was gonna get up at like 4 o'clock and just drive to Dallas, but it's still 4 hours to Dallas, I think. Oh goodness. Ugh. All right. This hospital's starting to get a little busy. Let's get the F out of H. Or the hell out of Snyder. Snyder, Texas. Living in a freaking van! Living in a freaking van! Yes, I am! I'm living in a freaking van! That windstorm last night was insane. This van was a rockin', don't bother knocking. I mean, it was, I'm so glad it's not doing it anymore. I was gonna get up, I was awake. But no, I was not driving in that shit. I'm getting off at White Settlement. Okay. As if I haven't eaten enough crap on this trip thus far. I am going to have a breakfast at, I don't even know what time it is, 10:30. At a restaurant I just don't get to go to, so it's over there somewhere. And a guy screaming in the street over there. Are we in the ghetto? Doesn't seem like it. Seems like a nice little area. I don't even know where I'm at, to be honest with you. People around here take it for granted, but not me. Whoa, I just tripped on a curb. Okay. Is it open? Now you may think this is disgusting, but how cool is it? You can just get as many jalapenos, and much salsa, and stuff as you want. Onions. I mean, come on, this is... Taco Bueno's the best. Yeah. Oh yeah. So far, Texas is starting off well. Well, it started off with a sandstorm yesterday, but other than that, this is Taco Bueno rules. I'm so effing damn excited about this. Landscapers. I haven't heard those all winter. Wow. Who cares? Got Taco Bueno. I got the Bueno in a bag. I'm gonna eat it. It is this. It's a bunch of chips, chip-shaped bowls full of beans. You can't beat this. Guacamole bowl full of chip bowl guacamole thing. Usually this, if you order it in, this will come in a bowl as well, but oh yes. Oh yes. I don't remember when Taco Bueno closed in Colorado Springs when I lived there, but that's the last time I had Taco Bueno, I think. I may have had it one time since then, maybe up in Lawton, I think, Oklahoma. That was a bad chip. Bad start. You get some beans. Good chip. What am I doing? That's not how you do it. Put a little sauce on there. Dip it in the cheese. Eat the damn bowl, man. Here we have what they call a big freaking taco. You want to know why they call it that? Because indeed it is one big freaking taco. Sauce the shit out of this. You're not a big freaking taco anymore. You're gonna get smaller and smaller by the second. Chicken and potato burrito, man. Kind of my favorite thing at Taco Bueno. Basically just a hash brown inside of a chicken taco, but whatever you want to call it. They make it really good. All these years, nothing's changed. Tastes exactly the same. Here's rainy ass Dallas. I put a little dent in my plans, but it's whatever. Hey, look, a bridge! All right, a bridge. All right, I have no idea where to park, but we're right at Dealey Plaza. This is where Kennedy was shot, right here. So where are you today, Brandon? Where are you today? Well, I'm at a parking lot. It's probably going to cost me about 25 bucks to park. And that's okay. I don't even know my license plate number. I guess I should have that ready. Shit. It does feel good to get out and walk a little bit, though. It's been a couple days since I've had a nice walk. So what should we put in this space here? I don't know. Maybe a big cement block with some circles on it. What is this? Oh, it's a Kennedy thing. It's Dallas's way of saying we're sorry about that whole thing in November. It's a splashy pool. Good acoustics in here. It's a cool building. What is it? First juries to sit a woman in Dallas court. Well, good for you. Good for you. They're tolling bells. Uh-oh. They know I'm here. They know I had Taco Bueno. They're telling on me. What are those bells? It sounds like they're right next to me, but they're not. Look how this asshole parked. What are you thinking, man? There's no parking signs all over the place. What's the dealio? That has never been said before at this statue. George Bannerman. I like Bannerman better than Dealey. Should have been Bannerman Plaza. I've not been here in 10 years. I came here with Garrett, my buddy, last time, and that was 10 years ago. We've been filming for Sci TV for 10 years. That's the Texas School Depository building right there, by the way. I can't believe it's been 10 years. It was 2015 when we made our first round the country trip. And that was awesome with him. It was so much fun. Somehow we did it in a Chevy Malibu. I don't know how we did that. That's nuts. Oh yeah. How do you book a tour? I want the tour. There is a tour. Museum parking. You mean I could have parked over there? God dang it. To heck.
And the elevator is just down the corner. And you'll start at the 6th floor.
So I'm literally in the Texas Schoolbook Depository going to the 6th floor. How badass is that? Close these doors. I don't want to share this with nobody. I didn't even know this was a thing until earlier today. This is nuts. You actually get to go up there? Are you kidding me? They said I can't take videos, but I'll ask for forgiveness, not permission. Oh, that's actually, this is a Pruder camera. Is that actually the, wow, that's nuts. Pretty much the most famous camera in the entire world. That's pretty nuts. That's Jack Ruby's hat. That's Winnie. Wow, that's nuts. Oh, this is great. Did Johnson have anything to do with it?
with them.
You do get a overwhelming sense of sadness, like it's kind of shitty. I don't even know what it's up here. 7th floor. Oh, it's art. It's an art gallery. Okay. So this is basically kids drawing the assassination scene, I guess. That's pretty sad. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still kind of geeking out that I'm here. Everyone's a big JFK follower, but I was especially as a kid, like crazy about it, like way too much. It's pretty much like one of the first true crime stories. Oh man. So this over here is where he ditched the rifle after he did whatever. I'm still geeking out over this. This is literally the world's most famous camera. I want to film with it and touch it. All right, one last look at the scene of the crime. That's crazy. That is not a hard shot with a scope. Not at all. All right, I could stay here all day. Not going to though. I could though. And of course, exit through the gift shop. Why wouldn't you?
Is there another one? This is all. What's the other one that looks very
It's fun. You can see
I have a bag that looks like the building and a building that looks like the bag. I'm gonna hold it up to the building and they're gonna be like, wow, whoa, and then I'll move it and they'll be like, wait a minute, that wasn't the building? Okay, now it's gonna be one of those weirdos that walk in the street right where he got shot because you're sharing history. I don't know, there's a residual ghost there or something, who knows? It's pretty gruesome, but we are human. We are going to the grassy knoll. They fixed it up. This is not the same fence. When I was here, they had the 10 years ago. I'm pretty sure that was the original fence. This is the grassy knoll. No longer very grassy, but oh, what a great place to, oh, spiderweb. Ugh, asshole. Where are you at? You squash your little eight-legged ass. This would be a great spot to park. Like overnight? Are you kidding me? At the grassy, granted you have people constantly being here, but yeah, this is, we're standing in the grassy knoll. Here's the shot from the grassy knoll right there. Kabang. I mean, realistically, shooting from here or shooting from up there is a relatively easy shot if you have a scope. Are you kidding me? I mean, it's really a simple shot. I don't know why people think it's going to be such a difficult thing to shoot from literally right there. You'll see an X in the road up here where all the weirdos want to hop out in the middle of traffic and take pictures. I'm not going to do that because I'm not stupid. But yeah, it's right here, people. Right here. So what I'm filming right now is what Abraham Zapruder was filming during the assassination. Just freaking gruesome. I don't think this tree was here. And he didn't have a zoom lens like I did, I'll tell you that. All right, Dallas. Or Dealey Plaza, at least. I'll see you again in another 10 years, maybe. I got magnets and stickers and postcards. That's all I need, right? can't even tell. Can't even tell. Oh my goodness. I'm an idiot. There's a big red bear. Ooh, I hear her voice. Maria Menounos, my lifelong crush.
Exercises where you pull the
She's so
contraction,
pretty.
like planks, wall sits, or
I always see her
farmer's
when I'm
carries
pumping gas
without
now.
moving, activate deep breathing and help you calm
Big
your
wrestling
nervous
fan,
system
too.
to reduce stress while making yourself stronger.
I think she's
For more
married.
great health tips, be sure to scan the QR code.
Scan her. Yeah, I love her. Maria Menounos, I love you. I know I'm a little older and I'm a little chubby. I don't have the riches and fame that many of your suitors may have, or your husband probably. But nonetheless, I love you. I love you very much. Maria Menounos. Oh, Bucky, I see you, Bucky. You're waiting there with your arms open wide. Here's my friend. That's old school Bucky's. The new ones have like a red shirt on with a logo on it. What's up, Buck? I love Bucky. It's my friend. Here comes my favorite part when you walk in and you smell everything. You got the roasted nuts and the cinnamon and the brisket. Hello, how are you? Oh, I love Buc-ee's. If you've never been to a Buc-ee's, make a trip. Make a trip to some place that has a Buc-ee's. It's all over the South. Just do it. Figure it out. Get out there. You'll thank me for it. I'm going to need this because I plan on putting a dent in my wallet. And if you really want to get me something nice for any occasion, just saying, something for the mom. If you want to know what the best thing to get at Buc-ee's is people, excuse me, pardon, this right here is the best thing you can get at Buc-ee's by so far. So good. I don't need two of them, but they are so good. Why was this one heavier than that one? I don't think I've had a Carolina pulled pork sandwich before. Sounds good. Pretty sure the Texas cheesesteak, is it the, yeah, Texas cheesesteak burrito is kind of to die for as well. Sticker Palooza, baby. This is cool. Oh, this is a cool sticker. They're so cheap too, $1.48 for this sticker. Anybody else would charge like way too much for that. Is that a magnet or a patch? I need a magnet. Magnet. Ooh, there's magnets. Bucky. I mean, they look comfortable. They feel comfortable. Yeah, screw it. Once again, we have spent $100 at Buc-ee's. And I gotta go back in and take a bathroom thing. I won't say a giant shit because that's just not appropriate. I'm gonna take a bathroom thing. Just when you think Buc-ee's cannot get any cooler, free self-service bug scrub. That is effing ingenious. Look at this. I love Buc-ee's so much. So I've never used this, so I imagine it's this guy. This guy. Oh yeah. I mean, what a freaking ingenious idea. I don't even know what chemical this is. It's probably taking years off my life. It smells good. But it's making my van look really nice. Then you get to do a little scrubby dub. I need one of these for, like, to keep in the van with me. Oh yeah. Why don't I have one of these to keep in? I thought I did. What did I do with that? I don't think my windshield has ever been cleaner. Give it a little bit of that real quick. Oh, wow. Why doesn't every major gas chain have that? That is This is just amazing. I've never seen it at a Buc-ee's. I'm sure they're at all of them, but I never get my car washed because I don't fit in it, but damn it. Freaking awesome. Look how clean that is. It's never been that clean, ever. Okay, since I now have gotten my Buc-ee's haul out of the way, it's time to go get rid of about a quarter of the stuff in the van and send it home. All right. What the hell's even in here? Everything. Finally. Maybe sci-fi mirrors. Interesting. It's a good shower. It's a weird Planet Fitness though. Like no dressing room. Why? There's a severe lack of purple in this gym. Usually Planet Fitnesses are all purple. This one is all gray. I think I'll go drop off this stuff and then pay a visit to my friend Joe. Never been to this one. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? It's our second Trader Joe's stop on this tour of duty. I said duty. These I'm not buying because I'm addicted to them. They are impossibly good. Like stupid. How much sugar? Yeah. How many cookies? 2 pieces. Yikes. Those are insane. Don't buy those. You'll be addicted. Run away. Just run. Oh yeah, this is needed. I need this right now. What else do I need? I feel like I need some fruit and vegetables in my life. I've been buying bananas just to watch them die. I'm a little sad about that. I'm gonna go with just 2 for now. This sounds good. Why not? This looks healthy, doesn't it? All kinds of stuff. I don't know if it is or not, but it looks healthy. Unfortunately, I let my battery get a little low on this camera here, so I know I'm constantly filming. I don't know why I did that. Should have enough though. But there'll be limited commentary while I document this new Meow Wolf. This looks great. Black walls. It's Santa Fe.
Are we doing the floors?
These. Cool. Gotta clean the sludge, huh? Santa Fe, but not here.
Oh, it's a whole new experience here.
Oh,
Hey there, Gaucho.
It's beautiful. This is head first?
That one is head first for all.
All right. Here we go. Head first. Oh my God, this is claustrophobic. Which one's quicker? This is not claustrophobic or anything. Ooh, crap. It's very much like Santa Fe. Same thing, socks and everything. Okay. Where's Rat Town?
Opening, closing, like windows in time, like opportunities in life. Yes, the VHS acts bestowed upon only the most dedicated undermaulers.
So my washer is a feet first slide, my dryer is a head first crawl. They are two different portals, so make sure you stick.
trying to find them, you know?
This is pretty cool. See if I can light up the room. Should be cool. All these phones and Meow Wolf. This place is really well done. It's kind of a mix between Santa Fe and Denver. If there ever was such a thing. This might be the coolest staircase I've ever seen. I'm doing this with our staircase. That same music. The Beast will appear. Got these weird, creepy people from Omega Mart. This is happening. Come on, give it to me. So Mike has never been to Meow Wolf and has never heard of Meow Wolf, which makes me laugh a little bit because he has no idea what to expect. He may love it and say, hey, I have to go do all of these Meow Wolves now, which is Santa Fe, Denver, Las Vegas, Houston, and here in Grapevine, Texas. And then pretty soon, Los Angeles and New York. And we will be at all of them, every one of them. Houston tomorrow. One of the guys that works here is gonna go mess with Mike, bring him in the back. So Mike apparently had to go back to his truck and drop off his knife. Did he go straight Texan mode on me or something? What the hell, Mike? Goodness. I found another area that I have not explored yet. Oh, cool.
Do you need to get back to the house? You can do so through
What about
other
that one?
portals.
Can I go up in that one?
Unfortunately, none of us have tried those. I did have one group of 20 plus years old, and we're trying.
Oh, hello. No.
I'm sorry, but please.
Gave us one commandment. Hit everything with crawl.
Mike, you made it. I heard you brought in a butcher's knife.
No, yeah, I had to take it back to the truck, man. It's just a pocket knife, man.
Mike has never heard of Meow Wolf before.
No, I haven't. First time.
This is insane. They have them. The first one was in Santa Fe, and they
Well, it
opened
was
one.
funny too, because when I went and Googled it, so the only thing we found is in Santa Fe. Is that the one you want? No, I want the one here in Grapevine.
No. Santa Fe, Vegas, Denver, and then now here in Houston, and then they got New York and LA coming. So this is Meow Wolf, man. It's just, there's a mystery in this whole thing, and it's just straight artistic weirdness.
It is.
It's sensory overload. It's effed up. It's evil. It's wonderful. It's beautiful. It's disturbing. This one makes you work. I'll tell you that much right now. Oh, jeez, man. Okay, there's got to be something going on in here. Oh, portal. Holy shit, I didn't see this. I don't know where it goes. Oh, here we go. That's cool. Oof. Another closet. I don't think I saw this bedroom. Shit.
It's actually an elevator. Go in there and you don't know what's going to happen.
We are. Which way we want to go? More? I can get you abducted today. Your abduction.
Oh, where are you
Tell me.
going?
Let's go,
To rear?
oh shit. I've already been there. I gotta show
Go
that
down the other side.
Yeah, like down there. But it's not like to go out? Okay.
Let's go out. That's cool.
Yeah, it does get better.
Oh, that's badass.
Just wait for the lights
Sorry,
to
go
start burning good. I'll tell you.
Really? Oh, we got more on this side. All right, you play the bass, right? Here we go.
Get stuck. That's going to leave a mark.
It might. On the floor. Just gonna go get some barbecue even though I'm not hungry at all. Mike is my longest friend. because he's 6'9". I'm kidding. No, he's my oldest friend because he's 100 years old. That can't stop. I've known Mike for over 30 years. We used to be in a comedy act together called Rude, Rambunctious Underpaid Delinquent Entertainers. We used to be in a band named Guilty Party that I managed in Detroit. And we did everything together. I mean, we freaking hung out. He was my guy, man. And I still love him to death. Of course, he lives in Dallas. I hate being in Dallas. I wish he'd moved back to Michigan, man. His mom's still there, but he's got a life down here. I don't know how he stands it in Dallas, but that's, to each their own, right? But yeah, I miss him. I wish we could hang out like we used to when we were kids. And I was like 17, 18, 19, 20. And then he moved away, and it broke my heart. It really did, actually, when I was a kid, because I spent every single other day with Mike. Like, that's all we did was hang out. He had this Ford EXP, and we took all these toys that we would find, like just stupid little rubber toys and basketball and little action figures, and we put them all the way up on his antenna on his, and we drove around like that for some reason. I don't know why we did that. Now I'm going to get some barbecue with the man. Barbecue in Tejas. Tejas barbecue. Yeah. This is interesting. It just sits here until we order it, huh? It's
Good?
yeah, that's great, man. Thank you.
Anything else?
Mike over here paying for my meal. He had no idea I was gonna sample everything. Jeez, man. All right, chicken. Fucking good. Good brisket. Steak. No flavor, but not bad. That's the turkey right here. Turkey Panamo. Onion ring.
That's a baby one.
I don't need all that grease, man. The heart stopped when I'm in the middle of driving. No flavor to it, though. None in that batter. No flavor in that batter.
Really?
You gotta dip it.
Maybe the other stuff over the way on the other one.
Maybe. Corn. Delicious. I broke it. All of this is inside of me. Look at Mike. You said a little responsible meal. He knew how much he wanted. Me, no. Complete carnage. I ate too much. Again, I had 3 big meals today. Buc-ee's, Taco Bueno, and now hard 8 barbecue. Why do I hate myself? And now I want to drive for 3 hours? Ha ha! Anyways, great to see Mike, man. I love that guy. I wish we could spend more time. It's always kind of rough leaving your best friends, you know what I mean? Won't be the last time I see him. I'll be back, even if I have to come to Dallas. All right, I don't know how far I'm going to get tonight, but I guess we'll find out. I love you, Bucky, but I'm so full right now. No, thank you. I've already been to this Bucky. This is a good Bucky, but I'm good. I'm good, Bucky. Living in a freaking van. Living in a